3, 2, 1.
Which element is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-metallic gas that constitutes about 78% of Earth's atmosphere? The answer is B, nitrogen. In physics, work means the use of what to move an object. The answer is B, force. What occurs when spores from two parents fuse and form a zygospore? The answer is B, sexual reproduction. Which tool is used for electrical work? The answer is D, multimeter. Which game has the tagline "Do meets carry"? The answer is D, Dead Space. What is a can opener used to open? The answer is A, bottles. Each group of organisms went through its own evolutionary journey, called what? The answer is A, phylogeny. What does pi approximately equal? The answer is B, 3.14. What type of item might you have as a clawfoot in your bathroom? The answer is A, a bathtub. What is the title of the novel where Holden Caulfield is a character? The answer is A, The Catcher in the Rye. In this type of reaction, an element replaces another element in a compound, and the element is in any state of matter but is not an ion. The answer is B, single replacement reaction. Which type of shoe is a loafers? The answer is D, moccasins. Which theory explains the structure of atoms? The answer is D, atomic theory. What type of bed has a mattress supported by a metal frame? The answer is D, platform bed. The work of which scientist serves as the basis for many procedures used in agriculture, such as selective breeding of plants? The answer is B, Mendel. When trees develop leaves in the spring, 10 changes occur on the forest floor. Why does the development of leaves cause changes on the forest floor? The answer is B, sunlight is reduced. What is the largest living rabbit breed by weight? The answer is A, Flemish Giant. Which company developed the first commercially successful microprocessor? The answer is A, Intel. Which component slows or smooths the rate of change in electric current or voltage? The answer is B, inductor. I was born in 1976 and got my first break in a movie called The Man in the Moon in 1991. Who am I? The answer is C. Reese Witherspoon. How many pecks are in 8 bushels? The answer is D. 32. Farmers in the 1800s used axes to clear trees from farmland. Now, farmers use chainsaws to clear the trees. How do chainsaws most likely help farmers? The answer is B. Farmers can remove more trees in less time. Variation in muscle cells gives further insight into some benefits of what type of respiration. The answer is D. Anaerobic. In which book series does Peter Pettigrew appear? The answer is A. Harry Potter. Who invented dynamite in 1866? The answer is D. Alfred Nobel. What do the letters SFW mean on internet chats? The answer is C. Safe for work. What is the study of the human mind and behavior known as? The answer is B. Psychiatry. What Soviet female agent falls in love with James Bond instead of killing him in From Russia with Love? The answer is B. Tatiana Romanova. Which tool is used to chop vegetables? The answer is A. Mixer. Which instrument is traditionally associated with flamenco music? The answer is A. Guitar. Which adaptation often helps an animal attract a mate? The answer is C. Coloration. Which appliance cooks food using steam? The answer is A. Microwave. Which book features characters named Jay Gatsby and Daisy Buchanan? The answer is A. The Great Gatsby. What is the study of how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about allocating resources to satisfy their unlimited wants? The answer is A. Monetary policy. Which theorem states that the internal angles of a triangle sum to 180 degrees? The answer is D. Sum of angles theorem. Which term refers to the number of complete cycles of an alternating current that occur per second? The answer is B. Frequency. I was born in Austria but ruled Britain. Who am I? The answer is C. Charles Roman II. What does a microwave cook food using? The answer is C. Electricity. Who Who is the winning pitcher in Game 5 of the 1969 World Series, clinching the series for the Mets? The answer is A. Jerry Koosman. Who was the first person eliminated from Project Runway? The answer is B. Daniel. Adrienne Barbeau, who starred as Bea Arthur's daughter in Maude, played on Broadway in Grease, and has been seen in many horror movies, was also involved off and on in one soap opera. Which one? The answer is B. General Hospital. What is the term for seed plants? The answer is B. Spermatophytes. Who is the Mexican-born director of the Golden Globe-winning movie Babel? The answer is D. Alejandro González Iñárritu. The west half of the island of New Guinea is part of Indonesia, which comprises how many islands? The answer is A. 17,508. Which of the following is more accurate? The answer is D. Ice has approximately equivalent mass when carved. What wears out more with use, the thing or the user? The answer is C. Hammer. What type of animal is the Indian flying fox, found in India, Bangladesh, China, and other parts of Asia? The answer is D. Bat. Which of the following was invented by a banjo player working at a company that made sandpaper? The answer is A. Adhesive tape. The differences in the biomass is due to differences in the what factors? The answer is A. Abiotic. Which celestial body has rings, but no atmosphere?